Morning to all of you. Today, MCQ question 37 is present on your screen. Which one of the following is the largest chromosome? Option A, supernumerary chromosome. Option B, polytene chromosome. Option C, X chromosome. And option D, Lamb-Brush chromosome. Let's discuss. First of all, we take supernumerary chromosome. In addition to normal karyotype, that is also known as B chromosome, it is extra chromosomal components present in uh, living beings in case of mostly wild population of many animals and plants and fungi. These supernumerary chromosome is also called accessory or lineage specific chromosome. These are heterochromatic in nature, and in case of human being, 72% these are originated from the acrocentric chromosome. These don't follow or does not follow Mendelian law of inheritance. These are equivalent to size of 20th chromosome in human, in case human being, and in human being or in other animals also, these are may be responsible for their reproductive failure. Now, polytene chromosome, it is also called giant chromosome, and it is first observed in 1881 by E.G. Balbiani uh, um, in the dipteron fly species, especially in salivary gland, and hence these chromosomes, polytene chromosome, also known as salivary gland chromosomes. According to the estimate, polytene chromosomes are many times larger and thicker than the normal chromosomes, and it is 1 mm in length in case of Urodel, that is the amphibians. About 1000 times copy of normal chromosomal DNA, these polytene chromosomes having. X chromosome in case of human being, male having XY composition and female having two X chromosomes. One X chromosome in female, it is heterochromatic, that is inactive. Lamb-Brush chromosome is another giant chromosome present commonly in oocytes of amphibians and in some insects. In 1882, first of all, it is observed by Valdier Fleming when he cut the dissection of oocyte of the salamander. Structurally, this chromosome appears as a lamp brush. This one, lamp brush. This chromosome appears lambrous due to the presence of main chromosomal axis. This one, main chromosomal axis, and throughout the axis there are pair of loops. These loops are arise opposite direction, vertical to the main axis of the chromosome. The special thing about lamb brush chromosome is that is not present in case of mammals. Although it is present in growing oocyte of most of the animals. It is responsible to form the yolk. Lamb-Bruch chromosome is very useful as a model chromosome when studying the organization of chromosome, the function of genome and expression of genes in meiotic division, etc. It is due to the presence of individual transcription units in each individual loops having unit or specific gene which is easily visible. Further, Lamb-Bruch chromosome is important in high resolution mapping of DNA sequence and construction of detailed cytological maps of individual chromosomes. If we consider the size of the chromosome, Lamprey's chromosome is having the largest size, hence the answer of the chromosome is D. Thank you.